Now next part is conversion of decimals into fractions. We have to convert these decimals into fractions. Now examples here. Here two examples are there of conversion of decimals into fraction. First 3.34. How to write it in expanded form? 3.34 means 3 plus 3 is at 10th place, so 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100, because 100 is there, 4 is there at 100th place. Now, what to do? We have to make the denominator equal, means this fraction we have to multiply by 10, because 10 times 100 and it is by 100. So 3 into 100 upon 100 denominator. Correct? Nothing is there, so 100, because we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 100. Here by 10. So this 10 into 10 plus this keep as it is. Okay? That is 300 upon 100 plus 30 upon 100, 10 times 100 plus 4 upon 100. Now see, denominator is same. So add 300 plus 30 plus 4, that is 334 upon 100. So see, we have converted this decimal into fraction. Okay? So 3.34 means 334 upon 100. Next, convert 8.25 into a fraction and reduce it to its lowest terms. Now see, first we have to convert 8.25 in a fraction. Same method. Okay? So 8.25 means 8. Nothing is there at denominator means 1. Here also nothing is denominator means 1. Then plus 2 upon 2 is at 10th place. So denominator is 10. And here 5 upon 100. So this we have to multiply by 100. Okay? That is 1 into 100. Plus this fraction we have to multiply by 10. Why? Because here we want denominator 100. So 10 times the 100. Plus this keep as it is. Already denominator is 100. That is 800 upon 100 plus 20 upon 100 plus 5 upon 100. So 825 upon 100. Now we have to reduce it to its lowest term. So when we have to reduce it to its lowest term, what do? We have to divide both numbers with the same number. For that we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. Now see, what is the HCF of these two numbers? How to find out HCF? So we can find it by division method. Okay? See here. 100 divide 825 by 100. So to find out HCF, I am using division method. So 100 8 is 800. Okay? Now 25 is there. Now with this 25 divide 100. That is 25 4 is 100. So what is the HCF of this? Therefore HCF of 825 and 100 is equal to 25. Correct? That means we have to divide these both numbers by 25 and 100 also by 25. Now see, 825 divided by 100, divided by 25. What answer you will get? 25. 25 3s are 75. Okay. 12 minus 5 7. 0 and take again. Okay. 33. So here 33 upon 25 4. So what is the lowest form? How to find out? By by taking out HCF of these two numbers and divide that with that HCF to these two numbers. So that this is the lowest. Now this is 33 and this is 4. Okay. In first part we have seen conversion of decimals into fraction. Now we will see conversion of fractions into decimal. Okay. In this also again two parts are there. First one, conversion of decimal fractions into decimals. See, this is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means what? Fraction at whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000. These numbers are there. They are called as decimal fraction. And second is conversion of non-decimal fractions into decimal. Means now see, look at their denominator here 5 is there, here 4, here 250. This we have to convert into decimal fraction. How? Make their denominator 100 by multiplying it with suitable number. Okay. Now see here. First one, 351 upon 100. This we have to convert into decimal. Okay. Now how? This 351, this 351 upon 100. Correct? So how to write it? 300 upon, separately 300 upon 100 plus 50 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100. Correct? Now see, if you will multiply 300 by 100, 100 is a 300 plus, what answer will come here? 5 upon 10. See this 110 cancel in 5 upon 10 and this 1 upon 100. Now, how to write it? See, the 3 is whole number, 5 is at 10th place means decimal and 1 is at 100, that is 3.5. So see how I have converted this decimal fraction into decimal. Okay. First, write the place value, expanded form of this, then separate with the denominator and then easily we can write 3 is whole number, 5 is at 10th place and 1 is at 100th place. Correct? Now next is 6 upon 100. Here whole part is there? No. So 0 point. 10th place anything is there? No. 6 is at where? Directly at 100th place. So 10th place nothing and 6. Now see 3 upon 1000 means 3 is at 1000th place. That is whole number 0 point, 10th place 0, 100th place 0 and 3 is at 1000th place. So in this way we can convert decimal fractions into decimals. Next, conversion of non-decimal. Now, if I multiply 5 by 2, I will get 10. That means it will get converted into decimal fraction. So, multiply numerator also by 2. That is 2 to the 4 upon 10. Now, 4 upon 10, that is 4 is at which place? 10th place. Whole part, nothing is there, that is 0.4. Okay. Next, now 3 upon 4, if I multiply by 25, 25 3 is the 75 and 25 4 is the 100. Correct? That is, whole, here any whole number is there? No. So 0 point. Now, see here, this how to write? You can see, after I have shown you or I have taught you in previous lessons also, if denominator 2 zeros are there, correct? Then numerator also 2 digits should be there. Here they are there. So, whole part nothing, that is 0.75. This is the decimal number. Decimal. Now this, if I multiply 250 by 4, I will get 250 by 4 into 250 multiplied by 4 is 1000 and 34, 74 the 68. Now see, at decimal 3 digits are there. So numerator also 3 digit want, but here only 2. So how to take third digit? By adding 1 0. That is whole part nothing and 0, 6, 8. Followed? In this way we have to convert non-decimal fractions into decimals. comparison of two decimals. How to compare? Here, here two examples I have taken. Look at first 2.836 and this is 3.825. So here compare the whole numbers. Now in 2 and 3, who is greater? 3 is greater. So ultimately which decimal is greater? This. So how to write? Therefore, okay. Now look at the second. This is 5.32 and this is 5.3209. Here after decimal 2 digits are there, here 4 digits are there. So let us convert it into like decimal. How? See here, convert. Here also we can write 4 digits. After 32, add 2 zeros. Now see, 4 digit we get. And here 5.320. Now compare. Who is greater? 3200 is greater or 3209 is greater? This is greater. Correct? So final answer. Therefore, which fraction is greater? This. In this way, we have to compare decimals. Any two given decimals. Okay? Practice 6.3, question number 1. Convert each of the following decimals into fractions and reduce them to lowest term. These I have shown you, okay, in explanation. So see here, first one is 3.9. That is, how to write it? The expanded form. Correct? Now make the denominator same. So multiply it by 10. That is here 10 which is a 30 upon 10. 39 upon 10. Now see, second one. One is whole number. How to write it? Expanded form. 1 plus 2 is at 10th place. That is, how to write it? 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Now, to make the denominator same, this we have to multiply by 100. This by 10 because 10 tens are 100. So directly I will do 100 is 100 plus 10 is 20 plus 5 and the denominator will be 100. Okay. That is 125 upon 100. Now what is the HCF of 125 100? 25. So divide it by 25. Okay. So what is the reduced form of it? 25 5s are and 25 4s are. This is the reduced form of 1.25. Next, 0.65. Now this whole number 0 is there. 6 is at 10th place. 5 is at 100th place. So this multiply by 10 and this by 30. So denominator common, that is 100. Now that is 60 plus 5, 65 upon 100. Now what is the HCF of 65 and 100 is 5. So divided by 5. So 5 on the 5, 5 in the 15 and 5 20 the. So 13 upon 20 is the reduced form of 0.65. Next, 4.56. 4. How to write the expanded form? 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. Now, multiply this by 100, this by 10. So this is 4 into 100, 400 plus 50 plus 6 upon denominator will remain same, that is 100. Okay, 456 divided by 100. Now, what is the HCF of 456 upon 100? It is 4. So, divided by 4. Okay. So, answer is 4 ones are 4. Then this 4 ones are 4. 4 4 are 16. And this is 20. Okay. So, this is the reduced form. Next. Now here 0 0. Direct 4 is there at which place? 100. So, how to write it? 4 upon 100. Now, what is the HCF of 4 and 100? 4. So, 4 on the 4 and 25. This is the reduced form. Next, here 1 is there at 100, 5 is there at 1000. 1000. So this multiply by 10. So 10 upon 1000 plus 5 upon 1000. Correct? That is 15 upon 1000. So what is the 15 and 1000? What is the HCF? 5. So divided by 5. That is 15 upon 1000 divided by 5. 5 is a 50 and 205 is a 1000. This is the reduced form. Okay. Now question number 2. Convert the following fractions into decimal. Here one easiest method also. First only I have taught you. That is, now see here 3 zeros are there at the denominator. So numerator also 3 digits should be there. Here are there. Is it there? Yes. Now whole part nothing is there, no? So 0.258. Correct? Next. 2 zeros are there. So numerator also 2 digits and they are there. So whole part nothing is, so 0.13. Followed? Next. Here see 1 digit only there. Sorry, 1 0. So numerator also how many want? Only 1. So this write as it is and from the right side count 1 and put decimal point. I have taught you, correct? This is 1.6. Now here see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So numerator also what should be there? 4 digits should be there. They are not there. So how to make them 4? So before 23 write 2 zeros over. Correct? Now here see 39 upon 100. 2 zeros are there, 2 digits are there. So whole part nothing, 0.39. Very easy it is. Followed? Now question number 3. Convert the following fractions into decimals. Okay, now first we have to convert it into decimal fraction. How? By multiply. So 20 into 5. This also multiply. That is 17 5s are 85 and 25 5s are 100. Now see, denominator what should be there? 10 or multiples of 10. So here 100, correct? Now convert it into decimal. 2 zeros are there at the denominator, 2 digits are there at the numerator. Whole part nothing, so 0.85. Correct? Now this also 21. 25 fours are 100. So this also multiply by 4. Now 21 fours are 84 upon 100. So whole part nothing, so 0.2 zeros 2 digit, that is 0.84. Okay. Now 5 twos are first converted into improper fraction. 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. Now multiplied by 2, it is 22 upon 10. Now 22 upon 10, only 1 0 is there. So up also this write numerator as it is. From the right side count 1 digit to decimal. This is 2.2. Next 13 upon 50. So multiplied by 2. 13 twos are 26 upon 100. That is 2 zeros, 2 digits, so whole part 0. 0.26. Followed how to convert? Question number 4. Compare each of the following pairs of decimals. First one 1.356 and 1.376. Now compare both. Same. Now this same. Now look at this both. Who is greater? 5 or 7? 7 is greater. So which this is greater? This one. Understood how to compare? Next. Compare 2, 2, same. 3, 3, same. 9, 9, same. Now see 6 and 7. in 6 and 7, who is greater? 7 is greater. So which decimal is greater? 2.397. Followed. Next. Here see. 17 same, 17 same. 89 same, 89 same. Now look at this. This 8 and this is 2. So who is greater? 8 is greater or 2? 8 is greater. So this decimal is greater. Followed? Now look at here. This same. Now this is 8, this is 9. Who is greater? 8 is greater or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. That means this fraction, this decimal is greater. Followed? Okay. Or you can convert it into like decimal also. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So how you will convert it into 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see 8907 is greater or this is greater? This one is greater. Followed? Or comparing one digit also we can. So in this way we have to compare. Question number 5. Insert the correct sign. Okay, to make statement true. Means in short we have to compare. Now look at this. Here 12, here 19. Who is greater? 19 is greater. So this decimal is greater. Here 20, here 20. Next here 0, here 0. Here 6, here 5. Who is greater? 6. So this decimal is greater. Next 4.4. Same. Here 0 is there and here 1. So who is greater? 1 is greater. Correct? Next 0, 0 same. 8, 8 same. Now here 1 and here 0. Who is greater? This decimal is greater. Next. Here 6 is there, whole number. Here 60. So who is greater? 60 is greater. Okay. Next. Whole number same, 1, 1. Here 1, here 0. Who is greater? 1 is greater. Followed? Question number 6. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending means from lowest to highest. Now, here, compare which is the lowest. For that, what you do? First, whole number. See, here 2, and here 0 is there. That means this is the lowest. Correct? Then, between this compare. Okay? This over. No? So, between this compare. Now, this same. Now, look at here. Here 6 is there, here 0 is there. That means who is greater? This is greater. Correct? And this is smaller. So, this will come at the second point. Second place. And this is the greatest one, 2.6. Okay. Next, in this compare, here see 0, 0, 0. We cannot compare. Now here see 0, here 9 and here 0. Now here 0, 0. But here 9 is there. Correct? So this is greatest. This is the greatest. So this I will write at the end. Now, in this compare, which is smallest, and now this is 0, 0. After that, this 9, here 9. Correct? And here see 5 is there, here 0 is there. Now 5 is greater or 0 is greater? 5. So, 5 is greater. So this is the smallest one. 0.0905 is the smallest, and this is second one. 0.095 and this is the greatest. Okay, smallest to greatest we have to arrange. How to compare? Take one digit and we have to compare. Now next see, everywhere whole part is 15, 15, 15. Okay, then here 5 is there, here 0 is there, here 5. So which is smallest? 0. That means this decimal is smallest. Now compare between these two. Here 5 and here if I convert into like decimal, it will become 50. And this is 5, 5. So who is greater? 5, 5 is greater. That means the greatest and this it is smaller than this. So after smallest this it will come and then 15.55. Okay, how to compare understood? Take one digit and then compare and then arrange it into the from smallest to largest. Question number 7. Arrange in descending order, means from highest to lowest. Now here, which is highest? See this, if I convert it to like decimal, then it will 600. See here. What it will be? Everywhere here 3 digits are there, no? So I will convert it into 3 digits. Then this is 5 and 6. This is 0.61, it will be 610. And here 0.609. Now compare. Who is greater? 600, 596, 610 or this. So 610 it is greater. So we have to write the greatest digit first. Greatest number first. Okay. This we have done 0. I am not writing this. Next. After 610 what will come? 609. So 0.609 will come after. Then 600. 0.600 means this 0.6 and then smallest is 0.5. Correct? What I did? I just converted this into like decimals by adding zeros and then it became easy. Now next is see here they are like decimals only. Now compare 0 to 04, 4 to 24. Who is greatest? 42 is greatest. So 0.4. Then 0.24. Then 0.04 and then 0.02. Okay? We have to arrange from greatest to smallest. Next, this again we have to convert it to like decimals. Here after decimal point 3 digits. So this is 6.270. Okay. This is 6.271. Then 6.027 and 6.277. Now after decimal compare the numbers 270, 271, 027 and this 277. Who is greater? 277 is greatest. So 6.277. After that 271 will come. 6.271. Then 6.27. Here 0 is not there. So while writing answer I will write only 7. Only for comparison I have converted. Okay. Next. And which is the smallest one? 6.027. It is the smallest one. Okay. Question number 8. Arrange in ascending order, which from smallest to greatest. Now look at here. Here 0. First whole number here 0. Here 1. Here 0. Here 0. That means this is the greatest number. Correct? So it will come at the end. Now compare. We want ascending order, means smallest number we want first. Now compare 011, 001, 101, 110. Who is this? This we will not, because this is the greatest one. No? Now compare. Which is smallest? This. Look at here. So 0.011 is smallest. After between these two, who is smallest? 101 is smallest. So 0.101. Then who will come? This. And then at the end 1.001. This is the ascending order. Followed? First whole part compare. Then go on compare. Now here 3 digits were there. So very easy for us to compare.